Hey guys, it's Jolie. This week at Corazon Latino, we are going to be talking about pollinators. So did you guys know that 3 out of every 4 bites that you take are actually possible because of pollinators? Without pollinators, we wouldn't have these beautiful flowers that we get to enjoy or very many of the fruits and vegetables that we eat. Today, in celebration of these amazing creatures, we're going to kick off the week by showing you how to make a really cool drink called the bee's knees. And that's right, bees are one of the main pollinators that we're gonna be talking about. For this recipe, you're gonna be needing 3 ingredients. So you're gonna be needing some gin, some raw honey, and a lemon. We're going to start out by measuring the ingredients listed above and adding your lemon juice, your raw honey, and finally your gin and ice into a shaker and shaking vigorously. Pour your delicious drink into a glass cup and garnish with a lemon. Finally, don't forget to propose a toast to the bees and all the work they do to pollinate our crops. Enjoy!